Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see power sharing chapter. We are going to revise. Introduction. In this chapter we talk about the power which held by government. In every nation there are different two communities, social groups, along with they may have conflict between them. It is so the spirit of democracy. That's why this chapter is so important to study for us. Then meaning of power sharing. Power sharing is a technique to share the power at a different level. It is an idea inculcated in democracy so that the power is not concentrated at one hand only and that different forms can keep a check on each other. India is an example of holding together federation where the power is shared between central government and different constituent states. Then communities and religions of Belgium. Brussels Brussels is the capital of Belgium and Dutch were minority and 20% only Dutch, 40% French speaking people. Then in Wallonia area 40% French speaking and they are very rich and powerful. And in Flemish region 59% Dutch benefit of education and economic development reached there very later. Then German only 1%. German speaking people in Belgium there is only 1%. Then power sharing in Belgium. Equal number of ministers from Dutch and French speaking area in the central government. No single community can make decision unilaterally. Transfer of power from the center to the state. State government will not be subordinate to the center. Separate government in Brussels with equal representation of French and Dutch. Formation of community government elected by people belonging to one language community, Dutch, French and German, wherever they live. This power is regarding culture, education and language related issues. Then next one, power sharing result. We can conclude that this Belgium model is little complicated but it is successful. Belgium leaders realized that the country's unity is possible only by respecting the feeling and interest of different communities and religion. Next comes Belgium and Sri Lanka. Similarities, both are democracies. Differences, power sharing arrangement is different. What is unique about Belgium? Leaders have realized that unity of the country is possible only by respecting the feeling and interest of the different communities and religion. What is the drawback of system followed by the Sri Lanka? Dominance of majority community Sinhalese by refusing to share power with the Tamil resulting in disunity. Case study of Sri Lanka. There were also regional differences. After independence in 1948, Sri Lanka adopted series of majoritarian measures to establish Sinhalese supremacy over the Tamil. 1956, an act was passed to recognize Sinhala as the only official language. That time, its population around 2 crore. All over the majority of Sinhala community. The ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan Tamils occupies northeastern and they are majorly Hindu and Muslim religion. Sinhala speaking 74% and they are Buddhist. Then religious wise 7% Christians and then total Tamil speaking people, Indian Tamil and Sri Lankan Tamil speaking people 18%. In Indian Tamil speaking people 5% only, they are maximum it is Muslims, Hindus and Muslims. And when we are comparing to other areas other than this with map only it is given, so where Muslims are very minor, like that things we can see. The next one, majoritarian, the idea or belief that the majority community should rule the nation in whichever way they want, it is called majoritarianism. The next one, reason. In 1956, an act was passed in which Sinhala was made the official language. The government made policies that favored the members of the Sinhala community. It also gave job to them only. State to protect and foster Buddhism. Tamil protests when they realized that they are being discriminated, which soon converted into civil war. Then, position of Sri Lankan Tamils. Launched the political parties, struggle for recognizing Tamil as official language, demand for autonomy, then equal opportunity in education and job. Political organization was formed demanding an independent Tamil Eelam in northeast Sri Lanka. Then civil war cause. Many Tamil died and were forced to leave the nation. Citizenship to them was denied by the new law. Effects. The civil war affected social, economical and cultural life of Sri Lanka very badly. Then, why power sharing is desirable in democracy? Prudential reason, reduce conflicts between social groups, stability of political order and better outcome. Then, moral reason, it is spirit of democracy. People have the right to be consulted for governing practices. Power sharing is valuable. Then forms of power sharing in India. Principle of democracy. People are source of all political powers. They rule themselves through institution of self-governance. Respect is given to diverse groups and its view. Everybody has equal share in shaping of public opinion. Next one, 4 forms of power sharing. Power is shared among different organs of the government. Power is shared among government at a different level. Power is shared among different social groups. Power is also shared among political parties, pressure groups and movements. Then first one, horizontal power sharing. Legislature, executive and judiciary. Making law, implementing law, disputes. Then forms of power sharing result in balance of power, and if you are thinking like that, power shared among the different organs of the government, legislature, executive and judiciary, what is happening there, and result in balance of power, how it is each organ check the other. Horizontal distribution is as it allows the different organs to exercise different powers. Means legislature they will making law, executive they will implement law, and judiciary will dispute the resolves the disputes. Then all ministers and government officials are responsible to parliamentary or state assemblies. No organ gets unlimited powers. A system of check and balance it is. Then judges can also check the work of other organs. So it is getting the balanced power sharing. The next one, vertical power sharing. Power is shared among different levels of the government. Central government, state government and local government. Again local government it is divided into 2, village panchayat or municipality or municipal corporation, then blocks and Jilla Parishad. Then third form of power sharing. Power sharing among different social groups. Example, community government of Belgium. Under this arrangement, government and administration give space to diverse social communities. In Rajya Sabha also we are having like that nomination of some different social groups. to give share the power. In this way, minority community gets fair share in power, accommodates social diversities who would feel otherwise alienated. Then, fourth form of power sharing, political parties, pressure groups, and movements influence those in power. Influence in the interest groups, businessmen, industrialists, farmers, industrial workers, etc. Political parties, pressure groups, movements influence those in power. Then, so we are having four forms of power sharing: vertical, horizontal, then third form community government, like that, giving priority to each and every social diversities, and fourth form political parties, pressure groups, and interested groups, like that. By this we are completing today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.